You're a network marketer, an online marketer, affiliate marketer, and you are spending so much time on social media that you want to pull your hair out and you're not getting the bang for the buck. The amount of time and energy and hours you're putting into, whether it be reels or whether it be live video or whether it be content, it feels like you're spinning your wheels. And here is why I know that you have the wrong strategy when it comes to social media. I was like that too. I was building on every single social media platform, whether it be TikTok, whether it be Facebook, whether it be Instagram, whether it be um, you name it, I built it, right? I built on it. But here's what happened when I decided to implement this strategy right here that I'm sharing with you. My business flourished. I hit the top ranks in the company. We're talking my team doing over several $100,000 a month every single month. Me personally selling over $15,000 in personal sales every single month, building my business builders, 6 to 7 business builders when I implemented this strategy. Okay. So here's what it is. I'm giving it to you right here. Definitely make sure you subscribe so that you can catch all of my episodes on how to build your business on social media as a network marketer, affiliate marketer, online marketer. All right. So, number one, I chose one platform. What platform is that? I personally chose Facebook because I love the sense of community that Facebook has to offer. I love that they have groups. I love that you can nurture people inside of a group. You can sell to them inside of the group. You can then create chats based on the groups. It is really where the like, know, and trust factor is built, which is so, so important for an online business. So I personally have built exclusively on Facebook. Although I do show up on Instagram, I have not found that like, know, and trust factor converts for me as well on Instagram. I also know that I'm a mom who's 48 years old, and so my people are over on Facebook. So that is where I've chosen to really build. But pick one social media platform, whether it be Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. Those are truly the social media platforms. Pick one of those and dive in. Let your audience get to know you, get to like you, get to see who you are at your core, right? Because they want to do business with people that they like, know, and trust. But here's where you change up your strategy that most online marketers aren't doing right now. They're not building on an SEO platform. An SEO platform stands for search engine optimization. Think Pinterest and think YouTube and think Google. Those are the 3 search engine optimizations. Did you know that there are thousands, and yes, I said thousands of people that are searching for your product, your opportunity every single month over on Google, over on YouTube, and there's very few marketers that are showing up on this SEO platform. All right. So if you want to learn my exact strategy, if you want to learn how to optimize your videos on YouTube, in the description of this video, I've got for you my free masterclass. Go and check it out. I'm telling you, your mind's going to be blown when you see what happens to your business. All right. But you're going to build on that one platform. You're going to put out one quality piece of video, long form video, like I have right over here, 7 to 10 minutes long. That's all it needs to be, right? One time a week. Ideally, if you can do 2 times a week, you can, but I literally have done this 1 day a week for years, and it has been a game changer for my business. I hit the top ranks of the company. I have brought in business builders. I'm in the top business builders bring in every single month because of my YouTube videos, not because of my social media platform. And the best part is I'm not living on social like I was, because I know that YouTube is going to do the heavy lifting for me, right? So here's what you do when it comes to YouTube. You want to find the content that people are searching for, right? So whether it be how to start a home-based business, the best network marketing company, the product that you sell, the shake recipe that you sell, the oil blends that you make. Go and figure out what people are searching for. And again, inside of my masterclass, where you can find the link in the description of this video, you're going to see I break it down exactly how to go and do that. But I am telling you, it has been a game changer. Then you're going to create that content, one quality piece of content, every single week with your well optimized video and your thumbnail and watch what happens. Now, I will be honest, it doesn't happen overnight. It takes time. I like to call SEO a long term insurance plan. You want to make sure that you're doing it consistently week after week after week. It's not going to go viral per se right away, and that's okay. You don't want it to go viral. Well, I mean, you do, but viral is not a long term plan for a business. It's great for short term, but if you want a stable business, you want to be building for long term and you don't want virality, right? That's what YouTube is going to do for you. That's what the long form video over here on YouTube or Pinterest, if you're a blogger, that's what it's going to do for your business. So definitely make sure you take one social media platform, not all of them. You don't have to build on all of them. One SEO platform and marry the process. Drive the people from your YouTube to your social media platform. Drive the people from your social media platform over to your YouTube so that they can check out your business. And I am telling you, when you have a well optimized content plan with a social media platform and an SEO platform, you are going to do amazing things in your business. And what I have for you over here is I have a video that I've talked about how I've recruited thousands of people into my business. Go watch that video after you've watched this. Definitely make sure you register for my YouTube masterclass. I'm telling you, it has been a game changer for anybody that is serious about building their network marketing, affiliate marketing, online marketing business online. It will change your business substantially. It's not going to happen overnight, but I promise you it's going to be an incredible, incredible strategy for you to implement for building your business. All right. Thanks for subscribing and don't miss out on another episode of Julie Reynolds TV.